During winter here in the southwest, most of the locals like to kind of migrate for warmer waters, and they generally head north. You know, when the wild winter storms hit us down here in the southwest. So I try and make it an annual trip, just because it's just one of my favourite parts of the planet, really, just being in the northwest of WA. You're completely off grid, which is probably my favourite part. There's no telephone reception, and you're just completely switched off from civilization. It's like just perfect kind of 6-foot tubes. Yeah, really fun. Just really kind of just living, you know, how you should. I think that's probably the biggest thing I noticed about being up there. That's my favourite part.
Give us some entertainment.
Give us some action.
Give us some action.
I had to shuffle